So now we are ready to integrate the billing service in our app. So we just need to open your project. I already designed the layout, these two layouts. This is the main activity. If you can just go back and check the app, there's nothing interesting here, nothing happening, just this one. It goes to this second activity, which is selling activity. Nothing happening here, so it's not filled with the products yet. Yeah, so as you can see, we have got the text view, which is clicks, the button 10, button 20, button 30, only 3 buttons. So this is the main activity. The main activity has the button to store, button to clear. Yes, then when you go to the selling activity, then the selling activity has button 10, then I find it by ID and as well as the clicks. This is what we need so far. Therefore, go to the repository. This is the repository. So if you can check, step 1 is to enter the billing library dependency. So we already done this one on our second video. So now we need to move on to initializing the billing client with the PurchasesUpdatedListener. So to do that, it's very simple. You just go to step 1, you copy this. As you can see, it says that initialize this on billing method. You just need to go, no, I mean on create method. As you can see, on create method, just go within on create method, just paste it there. Never mind these errors, it means that we have not created this method yet, right? So go back and you go to step 2. Step 2, it says that establish a connection to Google Play. So now we need to go to step 2. We copy this. Now you need to go outside on create method here. So on create method, it ends here. As you can see, yes, it ends there. So after on create method, you need to write this method. As you can see now, the error is gone because we have implemented this method now. So step 3, we need to start showing the products to the user. Now when the user comes to the store, then now we need to show the product here. So you need to go and get product, go back to the project, you go there, you paste this get product method, right? So now here in the for loop, we need to change these to our buttons, which is button 10. I'll explain this when I show you what's going on the device, right? After launching the app. So these are the 3 buttons. So I will comment this out for now because I need to launch the app so that we can see the products, right? So again, I need to go and comment this out. Therefore, I need to make sure that I'm calling this method. I'm reloading the app now. So here, get products. So we have got this list array. Then this list array, it's going to contain the product ID. It's going to contain the product ID. You need to go to your console account, your Google console account. then we'll open it there. Select the app, scroll down until you see monetize, and then under monetize go to an in-app products. Therefore, these are the product ID, with their prices, right? With their prices. So to create a product, you just need to go to create product. So mine, these are the IDs of the products. So this, it's for the button 10, which is this one. What is the resource? This one is the button 10, is this one. So on the button 10, if it's the first product, if it's the first product, then I want to display these text on that button. I want to display at 5 clicks. Therefore, I need to get the price. This price, get price, it's this one on this ID. It's going to be this one, right? It's going to be this one. Then it's going to display it along with at 5 clicks inside brackets, then the price. Then here I say button set on click listener. Then the person, when he clicks on the button, on the first button, therefore this method will be called, right? It will be called. Then we are going to launch the purchase flow. So now when I open this, these are the products. These are the product values coming from our Google Play console. As you can see, the price is there. When I click now, there's nothing happening because I commented out this launch method because it's not yet integrated, right? So I think it's the next step after this one. So we need to go back to our repository. Yes, it's the second step. You just need to copy this, paste it there. This one is selling now, it's no longer premium. So you need to change it to this activity that you're working on, nothing serious. So step 5 is to verify the payment or the purchase. This one is very, very important. There is a good explanation on the official document. You can just go and check it there. So after entering this method, as you can see now, it's gray because we commented it out here. We need to uncomment it here, that if the user is done purchasing your product, then we need to verify the payment, right? So we go to the method, we import these classes. Then after importing the classes, so now you see there is an error because we don't have this method yet. Update clicks, right? Update clicks. So you can just hover over it and then create this method as okay. Let me go and copy it and paste it back here. As you can see, it's not there. You can create it yourself. Copy it, say void update. So it's taking a string, an integer, right? So I will say log test me, you have purchased the purchase fee, right? So after purchasing After purchasing, I'm passing the sale here, the purchase, with this token, right? So with that token, I'm building the consume pyramids. Then with that pyramids, I'm creating a consume response listener. Then this listener is going to listen that if everything it goes well according, then I'm calling this method. Therefore, I'm marking the item, the product consumed, because if you don't mark it consumed, then Google is going to refund the user. So you really need to verify the payment and mark it consumed, that the person got the 5 clicks of 15 or 50. Ne? So now when we check the last step is to handle the pending transaction. This one is recommended by Google. You need to have it. You need to copy this one, all of it. Paste it there. Import to class. You can cancel this out. See? So now you can run your project. Take this one, test me, which is log D. You go to the locate, you paste there, then you say debug, then you change to the emulator, you go to the store, therefore you click, now it's launching the purchase launch. Then when you tap, look what is happening. You see, you have purchased 5 clicks. It's calling this method after purchasing the click, then it's passing the click there, the clicks, because update clicks, and then it passed 5 because of this ID. Then this one is going to pass 15. Then in this method, this is the method where you're going to give the clicks to the user, credit the user. Yeah? Yes. So by just going to the repository, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, this is what we have at the end. A very nice working in-app purchase. Then let me purchase these ones, 50. Then if I go and check the locate, you see it's there, it's working guys, it's working. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing to support the channel and like the video, and keep an eye to the repository. This repository is public, it's there for you guys to check it out and see how you can integrate this one. So if you need a subscription, let me know in the video description, in the video comments. Just comment if you need the subscription in-app purchases. Yeah, then comment and subscribe. Let me know.